Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into creating a Hello World React application. But before we get started, if you haven't watched our previous video on setting up the React development environment, I highly recommend checking that out. It will walk you through all the necessary steps to get everything up and running. So, to create a React application, create a React folder on your computer. You can choose any convenient place to create this folder. Now, let's open it inside Visual Studio Code. There are a couple of ways you can do this. One way is to launch VS Code and then simply drag and drop the folder into the editor. Another way is to open the folder in the File Explorer, then type cmd in the address bar to open it inside the command prompt. Once the command prompt is open, type code followed by dot, then hit enter. Choose whichever method works best for you. Now that we have our React folder open in VS Code, let us use the built-in terminal to create our React app. To do this, we will be using a tool called npx. Before we do that, let me explain what npx is. npx is a package runner. It's a tool that comes with npm. It allows us to easily run packages without having to install them globally. In the terminal, type npx create React app hello world and then hit enter. This command will create a new React application called Hello World inside our current folder. Our React application has been created successfully. Now, let's navigate into the apps directory using the cd command. Type cd hello world to move into the newly created React app. We are now inside our React app directory. To start the application, type npm start in the terminal and hit enter. Our React application is up and running. To view it in the browser, open your favorite web browser and navigate to http://localhost port 3000 or just click Go Live option on VS Code. You should now see the default React app running with the React logo. Now, let's take a quick look at the React folder structure. You'll notice various files and folders within our React app. These files and folders are organized in a specific way to help us build scalable and maintainable applications. The most important file for us right now is the App.js file located inside the src folder. This is where I will make changes to output our Hello World message. Open the src folder, then open the app.js file. Inside the file, locate the return statement within the app component and replace it with a h1 tag with a text of Hello World. The browser should refresh itself, or you can refresh your browser and see the changes take effect. Congratulations! That wraps up our tutorial on creating a Hello World React application. In our next lesson, we'll be diving into React components, where we will learn about class components and functional components. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on that valuable content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. We appreciate all your feedback. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also interested in learning React. Thank you for watching. Until next